Alright, we've just got on a bus. It's really early in the morning. We're gonna go. We're going to swim with some whale sharks. Let's go! Okay, we're going, there's karaoke next door, so we thought we might as well just go there and have a look. Hello! Hey! Hello, hello!
I love that every song just has Mickey.
Now it's a thing. Well, that escalated quickly. Oh, what an amazing night. The Filipinos, they're so accommodating and so welcoming, and they love karaoke. Right, so anyway, next stop is there's this amazing waterfall. Apparently you can like walk up and it's like the different stages. So yeah, let's see what's going on there. We'll go and find that out. Hey, let's go. How good's this? We've got these guides and they're taking us up level by level. Thank you very much. Alright, so that's it for us down south in Cebu. We swam with whale sharks, did the most amazing waterfall ever, and we stayed at one of the nicest places we stayed so far. So, next stop, tomorrow morning we're getting up really early and heading back to Manila, flying back to Manila and then flying to Puerto Princesa and getting on a long bus and going to El Nido, which we are super pumped about because it's supposed to be, this is beautiful, but apparently compared to El Nido, it's still an unbelievable place. So yeah, thanks for watching again. As I said before, if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do, because this is the third video now that I've done. I'm around for a few months, constantly uploading videos. So yeah, life of a backpacker. Thanks for watching, and see you in El Nido.